Na safari safari ya Bambari Machero. Off we go. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla and this is Priscilla. If you're here for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Kindly consider subscribing. Watch this video till the end. If you're here for the second time and third time, thank you for always watching my videos. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So this is a moving out vlog. Yeah, I will show you all the clips that I recorded because it was so hectic, a lot of anxiety and all that. But anyway, stay tuned. Watch till the end. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I should have made this video before, but I got a bit distracted. So yeah, this is the official moving out vlog. I'll just tell you the details later. Right now I'm going to meet the truck guy who was actually supposed to move me. So yeah, see you guys on the other side. Yeah, I'm just going to meet with him so I can bring him, then yeah, we can move. So moving out it is. So guys, here we are. They're already carrying the stuff out of my house. I got two guys to help me carry my stuff because, well, I couldn't do it on my own because I was living in the second floor and, you know, going all the way down. So first of all, I want to apologize because I was not able to like capture all the clips of the moving out vlog because yeah, I was so worried. My items were being taken down there to the ground floor. It was raining very heavily outside. They were just being put down there in the ground floor corridor, and I was so worried that someone would just pick an item from my stuff and disappear with it. I was so worried because there was no one down there. The driver was here trying to disassemble my bed, and the two boys were busy carrying the items. So when they were here all together, I was worried like someone would pick my items. So I was not able to record all the clips, but I managed to catch part of the clips. So we're just carrying the items out of the house. So we are very disadvantaged. It's a bad moving day because the weather is not weathering at all. It's raining very heavily. It stops for 2 minutes, starts raining all over again, but we did manage. So stay with me till the end, guys. Keep watching the video until you see the journey and where we are moving to, guys. Stay with me. Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. tunaenda kwa hii ghorofa eh?